Summer in the South is like walking through a brightly lit sauna with a bunch of racists, but peaches are really cheap and literally as ubiquitous as water. So today on Ambitious Eats video, I'm going to use one of the best staples of the South, peaches, and make a dessert with another one of the best staples of the South, whiskey. First, soak the peaches in whiskey. Peel 3 yellow peaches, not completely ripened, and cut them into wedges and add them to a large mixing bowl. If you use peaches that are too ripe, you'll end up with a mushy galette. The best way to tell if a peach is at the perfect ripeness is by gently pressing into it. If it feels firm, sort of like an apple, it's probably not ready yet. If it's soft, like a kiwi, I wouldn't recommend using it and I would just eat it before it goes bad. Add 1 cup or 220 grams of brown sugar. I use light brown, a shot and a half of sour mash whiskey or bourbon, lemon zest and juice from 1 lemon, and optionally a couple drops of almond extract. The almond really helps balance out the sweetness from the peaches and the tartness of the lemon juice. The lemon juice and zest is critical to keeping a sort of freshness in the galette. We found it really helped prevent the sugar in pastry from overpowering the dessert. And fold it all together and refrigerate it for about 30 minutes. Meanwhile, take an 11-inch cake pan and place it over top a sheet of puff pastry that you've rolled out with a rolling pin. Make sure you flour your surface to prevent it from sticking. Keep rotating the pastry at 90-degree angles until you have a pastry that's about half the thickness as it was before, but not too thin. Cut a circle using a knife and freeze the unused pastry. Cut a circle of parchment paper by folding it over itself, sort of as you would a paper snowflake, and cut around the outermost edge. Unfold, and feel free to repeat this step because you might mess it up like I did a few hundred times. Add the parchment paper to either the cake pan or, if you're feeling fancy, a cast iron skillet like I did, and then start getting ready to finish the whole process. Add your peach filling to the circle of pastry, leaving about an inch around the edges. Pleat the dough over itself so it looks like a wreath, brush with egg wash, and bake for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the crust is a deep golden brown. Remove from the oven and optionally garnish with fresh blackberries, or if you have blackberry ice cream or frozen yogurt, that works too. Just don't be racist. Peace out. Like, comment, subscribe, and follow us on social media using the links below.